With release 112, we've also done some improvements on the QR code overlay for consignment invoices. Now, what I'm talking about here is if I was to go into a customer, so I would go Contacts, Customers, and I was to come into Coffee Roasters here and down to the Edit button. And if I went to Transport Management, if I scroll on down, there's an option here where I can enable the QR code. Now the QR code is automatically already on our consignment note. So if we were to, for instance, give our consignment note to an on-forwarder, that on-forwarder got a signature on it and emailed it back to us, CartonCloud would read that QR code and attach that to a certain consignment, and it would update from with on-forwarder to delivered. Likewise, if we were just doing our own, doing it on paper, we could go through, put them in the scanner and send them through to CartonCloud. Well, this sort of finalizes that option if you are using consignment customer invoices. So if I was to choose a customer invoice here and I come in and I grab this one for Blue Bagel, what it actually does is it's used the positioning tool we have for the signature overlay, and it's allowing us to put the QR code on our customer's paperwork. The benefit of this is if we were to print out this invoice once it had been received into CartonCloud, we will actually overlay the same QR code on the consignment onto the customer's invoice. So then when we gave the paperwork to an on-forwarder or to a third party, they could do the delivery, get a signature on the consignment note, get a signature on the customer's invoice, say with all of these options ticked off, and then the on-forwarder or third party could scan it straight through to CartonCloud. It would attach not only the consignment, but it would also attach the customer's invoice to that consignment and finalize the consignment. It's just a really good way of getting your customer's paperwork back into the system without having to scan and attach and upload and all the rest of it.